All of you welcome. So today I have tried about one logic program. So that program name is design and develop a Java program to find the biggest number without using if condition. So if condition లేకుండా ఒక comparing of two numbers మనం ఈ విధంగా చేసుకోవచ్చు. So two numbers it is no worry of this one. So you can write up also if you can using the one condition that is of your a is greater than b into a plus b is greater than a plus into b. So this condition if you can write about the finding the biggest of numbers. So that is of your a is greater than b and into a plus b is greater than a into b. So this condition if you can find out the biggest of two numbers only for the two numbers without using of your their conditions. But according to this concept is when how to using the three or maybe multiple of numbers. So three or multiple of numbers ఉంటే మనం ఏ విధంగా డిజైన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. So if you can write about is one of your biggest of your numbers. So I can using of your big is a class name and I can open the braces and if you can write about is a public a static void main and if you can write about is string args and open the braces. I can declare the any one of the four variables a b c d. It is a four variables and I can call from one variable that is of a big variable. So I can read the two numbers. So system dot out dot println. So I can show the one message. So enter any four numbers. So read that numbers. So read that numbers I can using of your scanners. So scanner I can create the one object. That object can allocate the memory and I can call from your method and I can using of your system dot in. If you can reading the any one of your parameter by can using the keyboard I can using of your scan. So I can read the variable that is of your a is equal to our object s dot. So next integer. If you can just reading of your one integer variable. So this variable I can take off your multiples. So that's why I can take off your as a copy and more of your paste and one more of your paste and more of your. So here is I can using of your b and I can using of your c and I can using of your d. So it is complete of your one step of your program అంటే ఇది నథింగ్ బట్ ఇక్కడికి ఏమవుతుందంటే మన ప్రోగ్రామ్కి ఏమైతే ఇన్పుట్ కావాలనుకున్నామో ఆ ఇన్పుట్ మనం ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ చేసాం. సో నౌ యూ కెన్ రైట్ అబౌట్ ద ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కండిషన్ వితౌట్ యూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఇఫ్. So the write about is according to they have to comparing to the remaining of your three numbers that is of your a is greater than b. So when are verified by that time as a two or maybe more than of conditions I can using of your logical undo operator. So I can also using of your logical undo operator. So a is greater than c and a is greater than d. So according to this three conditions if any one of true the verified by the condition I can using of your ternary operator I can using of your a is the biggest number. Otherwise I can verify by the one more of your variables that is of your b is greater than c and b is greater than d. So it is maybe true they have to printing of your b is assigning of the variable and in case they have to verified by the c is greater than d. So that condition is true they have to assigning of your c value or otherwise they can assigning of your d value. So finally if you can printing of your output of the variable. So system dot out dot println. So they have to show one message the biggest number is biggest number. So I can printing of your as a big variable. Simply close and simply close. So they have to save the program. So according to saving program can using of your any one of your big and whatever I can using the class name that using of your the same of your file name and moreover I can saving the location set of your d and how to save of this one file. So dot java save it is. So our file is saved, and how to compile the program. So my file location is D location, and I can compiling of your Java C. My class name is, my file name is big.java. So how to rectify the errors? So symbol of your here is right about the colon, not for semicolon. Save, and how to recompile, and two one of the errors. So how to using the big. So here is also can using any one of the variable, how to printing of your plus symbol. So it is clear. Yeah. So it is no of errors, and if we can test by the program. So can asking of for any four numbers. So first number is 46, second number is 54, and third number is 87, and fourth number is 12. So the biggest number is 8. So I check one more of time. So first number is 8000, second number is this one is, and third number is this one is, and fourth number this one is. So this of, so I can check one more of time. So I can give the one of your negative values. So any program how to test by the different of methods. So that is of your minus 66 the least number, but the negative formation, but it is of your highest of your number. So that is of your today of your biggest of numbers. So according to this program, it is the most important is, so just I can using of your, I can write the program as a, without using the if conditions, I can find out the biggest of your four numbers. So that is of your logic. Okay, thank you.